Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got back from Vietnam and I did a lot of shopping. I'm going to show you everything that I got. So let's start with my favorite store called the CIU. इसके कपड़े इतने pretty है. They had such cute collection. So Vietnam is known for their local boutique. There are like so many boutiques. सबकी अलग-अलग style है. One I went that was like really girly and coquette. This one like really called me out. Like every piece it was like yeah that's me. And their price range was also very decent. But यहाँ पे वियतनाम में एक चीज है like their sizing is different for everybody. It's not a standard size. There was this brand called Reshik. I love their pieces. I generally wear extra small or small here. Then उनका मुझे medium या large आएगा. So you really have to try before getting anything. I got this cute skirt. इतना pretty है. They have like a lot of separates, so you can pair them up. So I got this skirt and this top on that. This I got for around 1500 rupees. This one was for around 1100 or 1200 rupees. I got pants. This was for around 1500. So like I usually take from H&M also, but this fabric is so smooth and so soft. I also got this skirt. Love it. Moving on to shoes. I got 4 pairs of shoes. This is from Naga Shoes. They are quite famous there, but उनके sizes काफी जल्दी sell out हो जाते हैं. So make sure to go early. This is the heels I got. मुझे कब से Mary Jane लेने थे. They have like really good options for Mary Jane and ballets. I got this one. ये मुझे काफी cute लगे. It's like a cute ballet. I saw one girl denim के नीचे उसने पहना था and इतना cute लग रहा था. I got this and इसका best part is like ये claps वाला है. Let's move to skincare. So there's this store called Hasaki which sells like really authentic Japanese, Korean and all the international brands. वहाँ से मैंने Subaki का hair mask लिया. And I also got Fino का hair mask. I haven't tried Fino yet. ये मैंने 1-2 बार try किया है. I've heard mixed reviews about both. I'm going to try both of them. And I got 2 of the Fino premium hair oil. This one I got for around 600 or 700, which is quite good. I got the Dalva serum. ये यहाँ पे भी मिलता है, but it's quite expensive here. And वहाँ पे मुझे I think 1000 or 1100 around में मिला. I wanted to try this moisturizer कब से. I got smaller one in this. Hasaki में everyday there are different offers and मैं जिस दिन गई थी वहाँ पे उनका anniversary sale था. Luckily I got everything at really good prices. Sheet mask जो generally I think 50,000 dong के होते हैं, I was getting for 10,000. I got these. Next I went to this store called Matsukiyo. It's in Vincom Mall. They also have a lot of Japanese products, much affordable prices like Hasaki. Prices similar ही है but products अलग है. There I got this Kiana sheet mask. They had an offer of buy one get one. So ये दोनों मुझे around 900 rupees में मिला. Then I got this cooling head patch. There was a store called Osam. I think it was a Korean company because all the products were Korean there. I got eye mask from there. They have like really cute stationery. If you guys love stationery, you are going to love it. And I got these 2 stickers from there. I tried their mist and it is so like Korean like smell. I don't know how to explain this fragrance but oh my god, दोनों काफी mild थे. These were for around 300 rupees I think. I don't think they last that long. Just for the smell I keep spraying it. And there's this store called KKV which was like a 5-floor building. पूरा मिनीसो जैसा था. काफी सारे इतने beautiful वो Legos and वो miniature वो उससे puzzle से बनाते हैं ना, इतने pretty थे. If you guys are into that you have to check that out. Did not have much baggage so मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं लिया. Got this massage brush. And I got some phone cover, mask. Look at the print. This is a perfume roll-on. It has instant cooling effect. Got this cute toy from KKV for my nephew. Let's move on to food. I got these Nestea hibiscus iced tea. Of course I had to stock up on my favorite strawberry milk. Of course coffee. G7 3-in-1 black coffee version in the same one. If you guys love matcha, there's this cafe called Chak Kobe Tea and they source their matcha directly from Shizuoka. So if you guys are in Ho Chi Minh City and love matcha, you can pick it up. So got this cute Coke bottle, like a Japanese packaging. If you guys loved watching this video, do let me know in the comments so I can post more. And that was it. Bye bye.